Okay, this video is about how to access the database on our library system. And you can go to the home page of the University of Memphis, or I happen to be at the School of Health Studies main webpage, but the library icon is on all of the pages. So it's up here on the very end, libraries, and you can just click on that. And when you get to the library's homepage here, you just scroll down to these easy search boxes right here. And if you want to, you can go to databases and go to all databases right here. Okay, there's a ton of databases. I don't know how many, but there are a ton. And I will tell you just one that I use all the time. Occasionally I'll use others like the Cyclet, the PubMed, or the CINAHL databases. But I suggest strongly that you go to the S and go to Sport Discus. So I already know they are in alphabetical order, and I already know that the Sport Discus one is on the second page of the letter S. Scroll down to Sport Discus right here. There's actually two options, but either one works. So just go to whichever one you want to and hit connect. You're going to log in your just your user name, not the @memphis.edu, just that, and then you enter your password, and then you can authenticate the first time, but all you have to do is hit enter, and it will take you to the Sport Discus search page, and you can type in whatever keywords or search terms you want to. I'm going to go ahead and type in, let's say, concussion, if that's what you're interested in, for instance. So I've typed in concussion. You can come over here and you can actually narrow your search a bit if you know the author and you just type in the author's name. But otherwise it will automatically just default to keyword. So I've already typed in concussion. Now you can go ahead and hit search at this point, but you're going to get all kinds of stuff. So I suggest strongly that you're going to be better off doing some kind of special search options to narrow your search. So I suggest strongly that you get full text for one thing. Limit your results because you might be able to get a article and just get the abstract and not the full text. So you're going to need the full text. I suggest strongly that you only use articles that are from 2007, a 10-year difference. You don't really want anything more than that. Some old research is good still, obviously, but to get the most recent research, you want to do within the last 10 years. That's always good. Now you can also limit it to your language if you want to. That's fine. So we'll just do English. You can publication type. You can do all, but specifically we're going to be looking at academic journals. So I would definitely limit it to academic journal. You can, look at all of these things that you can actually access. Newspapers and video recordings. So we're mainly going to be focusing in on academic journal research at this point. And I would even stay away from document type. That's fine. What you've done right here is really all you need to do. And then you can make sure that there's references available. That's an important key term to click on. Scholarly, peer-reviewed. Absolutely, that's what we want. You can go ahead and put all, because many good peer-reviewed journal articles are from authors that are in another country. So that's perfectly fine as well. All right, and so once you've kind of narrowed the search, you hit that search button at the bottom here, and it comes up with 247 articles that are about concussion and are within the last 10 years, and they're in academic journals. So this very, very first one, for instance, on concussion is in, let me see which journal. Yeah, I can't, Journal of Sport Behavior. Okay, and that's a very good journal. So you can click on that and it will take you to the abstract, and you can then also either over here you can, oh, I'm sorry, here it is, the PDF full text, and then you click on that and eventually the whole article will come up. So obviously this one's from Canada, but that's okay because it's still very relevant. So that's how you can access different articles on our University of Memphis Libraries website. Very, very easy. Again, if you need to, go back and play around with it and start typing in some interesting concepts, interesting topics in physical education, physical activity, and coaching. And you're going to be using this a lot. So if you have any other questions, shoot me an email. Thanks. Bye.